Hello and welcome back to yet another tutorial. In this training we will go through how to create a simple product, the most basic one of these. And just to see how it looks like on the front end, this is an example of a simple product where we get to enter our quantity and then we have an add to cart button, but we don't really have any other options like for example size or color. But we will come to that in another tutorial. So let's go back to Magento admin and either expand this list to select simple product or just click here to add a product. Alright, so now we have all of these fields here, and if you have different attribute sets that we have talked about before, if you have created your own attribute sets in stores attribute set, if you want to switch between these, you can do so by changing from the default attribute set to whatever you have used before. If I click here, I get my recent items and I can start writing here if I, for example, want to choose my bag attribute set. So now that I have chosen my bag attribute set, we see here now that I have my other attributes that I have assigned to this attribute set from before. So let's add a name. I want to create a Pablo duffel bag like this, and I will keep the SKU short and simple, so let's use just Pablo duffel bag like this. We will add a price. This is an expensive duffel bag, so let's add $100, and let's choose a tax class if we want to have tax on this product. How to configure taxes will also be covered in another training. But for now, let's just use the taxable goods tax rate. To upload images, either click here to select your images from your desktop, or simply drag them from wherever into here. For now, I'm actually going to upload all of these images. And there we go. And here you have this orange base icon. Just click on the image that you want to make the default image. So for now I'm going to use the black image as my base image. If you want, you can add a video as well, just by clicking here, add video, and I'm going to look up North Face duffel bag. So I'm going to copy this Vimeo URL from here, and I'm going to add it here. If you want to use YouTube instead, click here to enter your YouTube API keys first, which will also be covered in another tutorial. Alright, so now we have this image, we have a preview here, and I can now click save. And in this example, I want the video actually to be my base image. So we will later see how it will look like. And let's add quantity to this product. So let's add, I don't know, maybe 50 in stock. And do we have weight on this product? Yes, we do. And this bag weighs, I don't know, maybe 0.5 kilos. And now it's time to assign this product to a category. So we can either start typing here, for example, bags, if we know which bag we want, which category we want to assign this product to, or we can click this show list icon that will then give us our catalog tree, or we can create a new category by clicking new category. So here we could, I think that we have covered this in another tutorial, so I won't go through this, but here we would add our name of the category and assign the category to a parent category if that's needed. Anyway, I want to add this product to my bags category and my duffel bags category that we have here. We can here also add a product description. So product description goes here, and we could also use the Visivig editor here, which is the what you see is what you get editor, to make other changes if needed. Alright, and then we have our attributes that we have pre-created and assigned to our attribute set. So this duffel bag is suitable for outdoor and, I don't know, maybe climbing. And let's select a couple of style bags, and this is let's use a leather material. And we have now a color which is black. Actually, I'm going to remove these images, so I'm only going to keep the black image. But in the next tutorial, where we create a configurable product, we're then going to add our different colors. So stay tuned for that one. And that's it. If we go to the images and videos tab, we have the same settings that we had here. And if I go to search engine optimization, we have our URL key field here, which we can leave empty. It will then take the product name and auto-generate a nice clean URL for us. So we can leave this empty. And the same goes for the meta title and the other meta information. If we leave them as is, we will of course get this. But if I, for example, remove the meta description, I will, instead of using this, I'm going to inherit whatever I have in stores, settings, configuration. And then if I go to general and then design, we have here the default description and the default keywords. And here I also have a title suffix. So in this case, the page title that I'm going to have will be Pablo duffel bag and then hello Pablo.se, but I don't need to add this myself. And then if we go to the websites tab, we can then select for which multi-sites this product should be available on, if we have any websites. So I'm going to choose my English site and my Swedish site. Then we have a tab for advanced settings, which we won't cover right now, but this will also be covered in another tutorial. Alright, so everything looks like it is, and we're happy with this. So we can now select or keep the status to product online. If we want to disable this product, we can easily do that by switching this product offline button. But for now, let's keep it as it is and then just click save. Alright, so now if I go to the front end and I go to gear bags, and if I scroll to maybe the next page, then we see this duffel bag here. And the same if I go to training and duffel bags, which is the second category where we have assigned this product to, we see the same product. And here we have the video, so if I click play, we get this. Alright, so thank you for watching, and in the next training we are going to convert this simple product to a configurable product where we will have sizes and colors.